Have you ever wondered if Skillshare is worth your money? Skillshare, the online learning community with thousands of classes in design, business, tech, and more, may be a familiar name, but is it truly the best option out there for you? Imagine this. It's a lazy Sunday afternoon and you've decided to learn something new. Perhaps you're interested in digital marketing, or maybe you've always wanted to master the art of watercolor painting. With a plethora of online learning platforms available, how do you decide which one to choose? Let's dive into the world of online learning and compare Skillshare with its competitors. First, consider the price. Skillshare operates on a subscription model, charging a certain fee per month. This fee gives you access to all courses on the platform, a feature that sets Skillshare apart from competitors like Udemy, which charges per course. However, Coursera and Lynda also offer subscription models, so how does Skillshare stack up against these? What differentiates Skillshare is its focus on creative and entrepreneurial skills. While Coursera leans heavily into academic courses and Lynda is known for its tech and business offerings, Skillshare shines in areas such as graphic design, photography, and entrepreneurship. If you're a creative or a budding entrepreneur, Skillshare might be the platform for you. Another point to consider is the community aspect. Skillshare fosters a community of learners where you can interact with other students and even teachers. This feature is not as pronounced on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. However, no platform is without its drawbacks. One criticism of Skillshare is the lack of accredited courses. Unlike Coursera, which offers courses from renowned institutions like Yale and Stanford, Skillshare's courses are not formally recognized. This may not be a deal breaker, especially if you're learning for personal growth rather than for a certificate, but it's something to consider. So is Skillshare worth your money? It depends on your learning goals. If you're looking to acquire creative or entrepreneurial skills, enjoy a community learning environment, and prefer a subscription model, Skillshare could be a great fit. But don't take our word for it. Why not try Skillshare for yourself? There's a link in the description below to sign up. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. If you found this video useful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit. Until next time, remember, never stop learning because life never stops teaching.